How to find verified and right suppliers on Alibaba.com. There are thousands of suppliers waiting for you on Alibaba, which is both a good and bad thing. Good because no matter how niche your products are, you are bound to find a seller that stocks exactly what you are looking for, or no one will at least be able to make it for you. And bad because finding the right vendor can sometimes take longer than you think. So, the first one is research and verification. To find a suitable supplier in Alibaba, start by conducting through research. This begins by utilizing the platform's search filters, narrowing down potential suppliers based on industry, product type, and location preferences. You can also find specialist suppliers such as wholesale for bulk purchases. After that, do so by clicking on a product and then the supplier's profile, where you can examine their transaction history, ratings, and reviews from both or other buyers. This initial vetting process will help to identify reliable and reputable suppliers. You can also browse or by manufacturer suppliers rather than product by simply clicking on the manufacturers tab at the top of the Alibaba web page or app. Now, the other one is communication and negotiation. There are several ways that you can connect with potential suppliers in Alibaba. An RFQ document submitted on the platform asking how much it would cost to fulfill a specific sourcing request. In short, the RFQ process typically looks like a buyer submits a request, suppliers submit quotes in response to the request, the buyer compares quote, the buyer chooses a bid. So, if you're happy that the supplier fits your criteria, it's time to negotiate. Clearly define your terms, payment methods, and shipping details. Be open to compromise but also set the clear boundaries. A trustworthy supplier will engage in fair and respectful negotiations as well. So, by following this, you can simply find establishing reliable and long lasting partnership with suitable suppliers. Remember, should problems arise during any of these steps, Alibaba has trained professionals waiting to answer your queries. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.